Oh, not me passing the entrance. Hey y'all, so I wanted to intro the vlog real quick. We are going to be doing a maintenance vlog because all of my appointments are coming up on today. So I just wanted to intro. I'm actually heading to the first appointment, which is to get my wax. Normally I go somewhere else, but my wax lady, she doesn't do waxes on, like, she off on Sundays, and I couldn't do it tomorrow because I'm going to be filming all day. So I needed to get it done today. So I had to try a different place. It's so hot. I'm actually gonna put my air on. Sorry, it's like burning up today. I hope that's not too loud, but so I had to like get it done today, and I'm trying out a new place. My friend has been telling me about this place for a while, but I just was kind of like, I like my place, like, you know. But I'm trying it out today. Also too, I'm trying out a new brow lady today too, to get my brows tinted, because I'm really on the fence about getting micro shading done, but I want to try tinting one last time to see if it'll last a little bit longer. I want to try somebody else, because the lady that do it, she doing good and all of that stuff, but I feel like I have oily skin for one, so it doesn't really last as long. But then for two, I want to see if somebody else doing it, if it'll, like, you know, I just want to compare and contrast, because she really the only person that I've ever went to. But I will definitely be going to her for my micro shading, but I just want to try somebody else for the tinting one last time. And if this don't really like last as long as I need it to, then I'm definitely going to do the micro shading. So trying somebody new for that too. And then I'm trying the new nail salon today too, because I have not been able to get a nail appointment with my nail lady. She is booked to capacity, okay, and they are not open on Sundays, and the only day I can go is on a Saturday, and she has been just completely booked. So that has sucked for me, okay. So I'm having to try out a new place. I'm gonna call today though, because from here 3 weeks out, hopefully I can get an appointment like 3 weeks later. But I'm trying a new place to get my SNS manicure and pedicure today too. A funny like quick backstory though, I actually, when I initially was going to the nail salon that I go to now, I thought it was this nail salon that I'm going to today. And then when I got there, I had made an appointment and everything, and I got there, she was like, I don't see you on the list. And I'm like, really? Because the names was the same at the time, and she was in the process of changing her name for her salon. So that's how I ended up going to, like, oh crap, I gotta go. But all of that to say, that's how I ended up going to my nail salon that I go to now, because I accidentally went to the wrong place, but I really loved the vibe in there. So I was like, okay, well, this is my nail salon now. And this was during COVID, when I was trying to find a place that was like by appointment, so I didn't have to worry about, like, you know, all of the hoopla. But yeah, so that is what's on the agenda for today. As far as maintenance, we are going to be doing wax, nails, and pedi, brow tinting, and yeah, that's on the agenda for today. So I'm about to head there. I need to use my GPS. Y'all know I film off of my phone, so I need to use my GPS to get there, and I'm kind of sort of like gonna be just making it just in time. I ain't late though, but I'm just gonna be making it just in time. So let me go. It's so hot today too. I'm not complaining, but I'm just like, you know, it's hot. It's real hot. We made it here. I'm about to go inside. I'm pretty sure I can't vlog in it, but I'll try to get like footage of the lobby or whatever the case may be. So let's go. It's really hot today, and my car is saying that my engine coolant needs to be checked. So I'm really nervous about that. I have to let my husband know, like, he needs to take my car to like get that checked out, because it is hot now and it's time to like put the air on. So like, I don't need my car. Uh-oh, gas light just came on. I hate having to go get gas. But yeah, that needs to be checked. And I feel like my air is not really as cool as it normally is, and I don't know if that got anything to do with engine cooling. But anyways, let's go. Oh, not me passing the entrance. Home with a $25 for 30 minutes. Hello.
In an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the girls that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, ride or they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside.
I'm done with my wax appointment. We are waxed and fresh and it's done. Like I always say, I don't care what nobody say, it's always brutal, okay? I don't care how long you go. I get waxed regularly and it's brutal still. But that's done and out the way, and we don't gotta see no wax for a good 3 weeks, okay? But let me just tell you, I won't be coming back here. The place is cute and stuff. If I do come back here, I would have to like have Rob drop me off, so I will always have to go on a day where he had the time to like drop me off and pick me back up. Well, drop me off and wait, because it really didn't take that long. But I don't know, and then I would have to make sure I got cash when I come, which means I would have to make sure I go to the bank. I don't really go to the bank. Everything is direct deposited. So I don't know about this place. I don't know, but let me not say never. I'm gonna ponder on it, and then, you know. But anyways, now we have to go to our brow appointment. We are getting our brows tinted. My appointment is at 1 o'clock. It's like 12:20 right now. Bloomfield Ave is a zoo, always, like always. I made it to the brow place, but look, it's no parking over here either. And luckily, when I stopped to get gas, I was like, because at first I was gonna stop home, but because all of these places that I'm going to are kind of like within like 5 to 8 minutes from like where I live. But I was gonna stop home, but I was like, let's just go straight there. And I went straight here. Luckily I did, because I had to once again drive around looking for parking. Now, I don't know if I'm coming off as like a snob, maybe like a parking snob, but like I need a parking lot. Like I don't want to have to be like driving around looking for parking, going down all of these, like going in circles, going down all of these blocks to turn around to get back to the other side to see if it's something on the other side. I don't want to have to do that. I need a parking lot so I could pull up into the parking lot and then pull into a spot. You know what I'm saying? Like, listen. Anyways, what I'm planning on doing after I leave here, maybe Rob could go pick us up some tacos and then we can have a little lunch date, maybe in a courtyard. Then I'll like head to my nail salon, and then I'll go to my friend's pop-up shop. Hopefully I don't have a ticket, because I don't see like a meter thing for like where my car is parked at. Hopefully I can record in here. I don't know if I can. Show y'all please. Yes, beauty bar. Ooh. Hi. How are you? I'm good. How are you? Good. What's your name? Sharron.
It's for an eyebrow tint, right?
Yes.
Okay, I'm Alyssa. I'm taking care of you.
Hi, Alyssa.
Come right on in. I'm
Okay.
actually gonna lock this door because it's just us.
Okay. Is it okay if I record?
Sure. It's your first time tinting?
No. I just wanted to try a different place just to see, you know, compare and contrast if the results are the same.
Okay.
Because I know I have oily skin, and so.
I have the same issue.
Yeah.
So it doesn't last as long.
Yeah.
DT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas round me, ride or they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. I just called a shorty up a Finsta. Just threw on a hoodie, it's a Crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things just started getting tense. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a member maybe down the road. Right now, I love to see my In an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the girls that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, right at the guy. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas round me, right at the guy. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. I just caught a shorty up a Finsta. Just threw on a hoodie, it's a Crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things just started getting tense off. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now, I would rather see my heart.
I'm done with you. Back up on my bullshit, back up on the scene. Done dealing with you, don't know how to deal with me. Done fucking with you, don't know how to love me. Done dealing with you, so it seemed like I get so much, I don't get nothing back. I really thought it was love, but you're so fucking whack. Always get caught up in love, but I am done with that. I can't get caught up in love, so now I'm, flexing on my exes and my Model X. Pretty little, skinny, little bitty body Model X. Some of y'all ain't never had no real.
And we have no ticket, baby. For $20. Yo, this heat is not playing with me. Chill out, DMX. The tint just doesn't really like take too well to like my oily skin for one, and then my eyebrows are bald headed, so like there's really no hair on them for them to like grab onto. So, but this is the tint. See this? I'm a smart girl because I turned the air on before I left. Okay? And when I just walked in, it is so cool and crisp. Love. Cheers. Shrimp tacos on my toes.
Now I am in control now. I need you to go now. I can fix my own crown. Back up on my bullshit. Back up on the scene. Don't dealing with you. Don't know how to deal with me. I'm fucking with you. Don't know how to love me. I'm dealing with you. So I'm back. Yeah, bitch. Back on my pussy. Back on my dish. You in the studio. Back on tequila, back on the strippers, all the groupie hoes. This could get ugly, I'm petty, I want you bad out of smoke. I'm coming crazy, baby, baby, one thing that you should know. Little baby, bounce back, yeah. Act like you a stranger, yeah. Memory loss, I play it like that. Call your boys, I'm getting about that. Faded up to 42, quarters too important. Blue dream inside the roll up.
So made it out of the nail salon. The nails and the feet are down. I'm gonna show y'all the nails in a second. The feet, I got literally like the same white that I always get on my toes. But look, here's the gag though, and I'm talking to you too, Rob. So yeah, it's so many girls that work in this salon that used to work in the salon that I go to. And remember I told you the reason why Monica was so booked up, because she was the only one, like they couldn't get new nail techs. Like she was the only nail tech that they had. So now I see why. The girls is in there. Like the girls is in there. The girls work in there now. Like I was like, wait, when I seen the first girl, I'm like, she work here now? And then I seen another girl, I'm like, she working now too? And then the girl came over to do the lady feet that was sitting next to me, a different girl. I'm like, nah, let me show you the nails. Oh my gosh, I feel like you can't really see it that good. It's like flame. All right, y'all, so I went to the pop-up shop, and like I said, I was like popping in when the pop-up shop was over, but I got my stuff from my friend, and then I helped her, like, you know, break down everything, her tables and stuff. And then me and Rob stopped and got some ice cream, some Carvel, because, you know, that's my favorite type. I'm not against what's the other place?
Cold Stone.
Cold Stone. Yeah, I'm not against Cold Stone, but
Yes, it is, y'all.
no, I'm not. I'm just biased to Carvel. I love the Carvel ice cream. So I got this. We are about to have a little ice cream date. So I just wanted to close out the vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. Drop that in the comments. Let me know what you thought of the video and all that. And I'm about to eat my ice cream and chill with my husband. And I'll catch you on my next one. Bye.